like my clothes just like I like my honey. Sweet little selfish.
So it's almost 9 p.m. and I'm gonna shave my head. Literally shaving the entire thing. You might ask why. It's because my hair has gone through so much. I naturally have like a really dark brown, like black hair, and this lady that I went to get blonde hair literally fucked me up. She bleached my hair. So this is what my hair looked like when I walked into the salon. I had already discussed before the day of my appointment exactly what I wanted my hair to look like, and basically we were just supposed to tone my hair and get it to an ashy color on the roots, because I I wanted an ombre kind of thing, but I wanted it to be lighter on the ends. And she already knew my history of my hair and how 6 months prior to the appointment I had bleached my hair and I'd gone blonde and everything. So my hair is really fragile at this point, and she knows all about it. You know, she was the one who insisted, you know, that I waited 2 weeks before I came back to her so she could do my hair. And well, this is when things kind of got fucked up. Twice in one session, my hair was literally like gum coming off. It's super thin. It's just really bad and thin, and like the back of my head, like there's just super thin hair, and you can already see my roots are coming in again. And I'm tired of like my hair feeling so just so brittle and damaged, and I want to get rid of it. So I thought, what better way than to shave my head off, my hair off my head. Yeah. I'm kind of just a little gonna miss her a little bit, just because I've never gotten it this light before. Like, it's like silvery white, but it's like it's not worth how it feels. Like, I need help. Alright, so in the bathroom, got the clippers. Hector's here, my boyfriend, to help me become a bad, bald bitch. So I just like trimmed some of my hair just so it'll be easier to shave. I literally look like Halsey. No shade. This was just most of my hair that's like came off. See, there's this one fucking bronzy piece that always bothered the hell out of me. It's finally gone. Yeah.
I honestly don't know how to cut hair, so they just let me know.
Okay, so I just washed my head and everything. Haven't really seen how I look. So there's a mirror right in front of me, and I'm just gonna yank off my towel. Ready? Oh my. Oh my god, it's so smooth in the back. It's so soft. Well, I can't stop doing this. Wow. Oh my god, that's crazy. Anyways, this feels really, really nice. It feels good, like not having anything on top of my head. I should try my wig on. Oh, that literally just plopped onto my head. That's how I look with my wig on. Completely bald underneath. This is so wild.
Oh my god, baby.
Babe.
Yeah. Oh my god, you're recording me.
But yeah, ending this, I say, if you want to do it, do it. It feels really good.
I support.
Where are you? Oh, my room's really messy. Yuck. But yeah.